Hello everyone, my name is Elizabeth. So today I will introduce all of you an object and you guys will not be surprised at it. An eyeball. So I will go through the structure of an eyeball and as required, I will do a comparison to another object. So can you guess what it is? Here it is, a camera. Because you all know that a camera operates according to the mechanism of an eyeball. So I will introduce the eyeball and how it works and compare it to a camera. So this is my camera. It is Canon EOS M. It is not the newest generation, but it functions well and it's not that heavy as those professional cameras, so I really like this one. So okay, let's start. Please look at this image. I will go through from the front part to the middle part and then the back part. Look at the front part. It is obvious that there is a transparent structure right in the front. It's called cornea. Cornea functions like a transparent layer of glass which protects the eye from the outside weather, such as strong wind or air or even sands in the air. So when you look at my camera, I intentionally add a transparent glass structure. It's a layer to my camera lens. It's transparent and it doesn't change the reflection of the lights. However, it protects the lens from any damages, so you won't have scratches or dirt on the lenses. Now, let's go into the inner parts. In the middle, there is a black dot. It is called pupil. So, the black dot in the middle is a pupil. A pupil is like the tunnel inside the camera lens, which lets through light into the inner part of the eye. So when you look at the pupil, what are the surrounding areas around the pupil, which has different colors according to different ethnic groups? Yes, you got it, the iris. So here it is, the iris. The iris can adjust itself to enlarge or shrink the size of the pupil. As comparison, a camera also has similar functions. So you have the f number. When you take pictures, you can adjust the f number to let more or less lighting inside. So this white part is called lens. So it's not difficult to understand. It functions just as the lens of the camera. It's a long tunnel that the lighting can go through. Okay, now look at the middle part. The vitreous body, the red part mostly. So it's like a dark room as according to the camera. This part has a dark room inside. And the lighting will just go through the light room and reach the final part, that is the retina. The retina is like the screen of a camera, right? where the lighting goes through the tunnel and gives some reflections there. So you should remember that the Apple product has a generation called retina, which means as sensitive and colorful as the retina of your eyeball. And in the end, I would like to further do some comparison of a normal eyeball to two conditions of abnormal eyeballs. So the top one is a normal eyeball. You can see it's typically a ball. But as comparison, these two, this one on the left-hand side is the short-sightedness condition of an eyeball. So the eyeball is elongated. You can see that the lighting can only focus in front of the retina rather than right on the retina. As comparison, this is the far-sightedness of an eyeball, where the focus point is far behind the retina. So this is my presentation about the structure of an eyeball and a comparison with the camera structure. So thank you, my camera. Okay, bye-bye.